In this week's tutorial, I will show you on how to deposit money in Alipay. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 star wow pin or ID fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best you can use Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Alipay. So I'm going to deposit money into this Alipay account with the help of a particular website. So let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to exit from my Alipay right here. Then I'll head over to the site. So here is the site we are going to use to fund our Alipay account. Okay, in this particular site, you can use USD, you can use Euro, you can use Naira, XOF, and you can use XAF. You can use Ghana cedis just to fund your Alipay. Okay, now I'm going to use Naira to fund my account with this particular site. So the first step we have to take is to make sure we choose our currency. So I'm going to click on here to choose my currency type. So I'm going to make use of Naira. As you can see here, Nigerian Naira. So like I said in the beginning of this video, there are so many currency right here, but in this tutorial, I'm going to choose Naira. So I'll click on here to choose Naira. Just like so. Having chosen Naira, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the top right here. Then I have to type the amount I want to fund with. Okay. So you have to enter amount right here. On this side, the minimum amount you can buy is 50,000 Naira as at the times of making this video. So I'm going to enter the amount I want to buy here is 225,001. Just like so. Then you scroll down, you see the amount you are going to receive. This amount in Naira is going to give me this amount in your hand, just like so. Okay. Next thing we want to do here is to simply scroll down and we click on swap currency right here. Okay. So it's going to take us to where we need to enter our Alipay detail. Okay, we just have to scroll down just like so. Then right here, I will enter my Alipay account, followed by my Alipay name. Next thing we have to do here is to simply click on proceed to exchange. Then it's going to take us to this particular page. Okay, so right here, this is where we need to send money into the site account. So they are going to provide us with a Naira account that we need to send money into. So from the instruction right here, so this is the account we are going to make payment into. So I will just simply copy the account. I will click and hold down. Then I'll make sure I copy the account number. Then I will make sure I send the sum of 225,100 Naira. So I'm going to exit from the web now. Then I'll go to my mobile bank app. So I'm using UBA Bank. So I'm going to click on my mobile app just to do the transaction. Just like so. So I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'll enter my password. Then click on sign in. Then I'll make sure I click on send money. Then I'll make sure I click on other banks. Then I'll make sure I click on here to choose the bank name. So the bank name is VD that. Then I'll click and hold down. I will paste the account number right here. Then I'll confirm receiver. So the company name is going to be Pump Up, just like what you see right here. Next thing I need to do is to enter the amount I'm sending in Naira. So I'm sending 225 naira, so 225,000. Then at this point here, you have to enter your full name, the name you use to register on the site. So at this point here, next thing you need to do is to click on transfer, then enter your password to complete your transaction. Then click on OK. Payment successful. You can screenshot it. Then you have to go back to the site, just like so. Then you have to simply scroll down. Then enter your name, your WhatsApp number, then click on proceed to exchange. Then scroll down and confirm your detail. Then scroll down and confirm your detail and click on confirm transaction. So thank you. After manual confirm transaction will be made. So from here, you can simply head to your dashboard. So you can simply click on here to go to your dashboard. So click on dashboard. Then you have your transaction pending. So you can see on this side, I have complete 14 transactions with them in the past. So you can also scroll down. Then you can also go back to the site homepage from here just to track your order. So when you get to the site, simply scroll down, just like so. Then you will see your order in pending, just like so. So you can see the order I just placed for 225,000 naira is on pending, and this is my exchange ID. So after a proper review by the site, they will complete and credit my Alipay. Okay. So some minutes later, after a successful placing of the order, we can still come back to the page and refresh the page just to track our order. Then after a successful refresh of the page, I will simply scroll down and look for my order down below right here. All right, so this is my order right here. So you can now see that it has changed from pending to complete order. Okay, so this is the amount I pay into the site. Then I can also click on the top right here to track my order from the dashboard and see if the order has completed. So clicking on that, then I'll click on my dashboard right here. Then take me back to my dashboard. So you can see right here that I have a complete exchange, which is 15 now. So before I placed the order, it was 14, but now it is 15. So finally, I will head over to my Alipay and be sure that the amount has been successfully credited into my Alipay. So I'm going to exit from the site. Then right here, this is my Alipay. I will click on Alipay right here. Then my Alipay is going to open up just like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply navigate to my balance. Just like so. So I have the amount successfully credited into my Alipay. So this is how to deposit money into your Alipay with a secret website. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.